Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you our experience on the island of Hydra, just about a 1.5 hour ferry ride from Athens. This place totally took us by surprise with its beauty and charm, and I can't wait to share it with you. I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, welcome to the island of Hydra. We're going to be staying just overnight, and I'm super excited to explore this island. I can tell it's already super charming. Known as the island of no cars. The only ways to get around are by foot, by boat, or by donkey. So we might see some donkeys walking around a little bit later. For now, we're gonna go check out a Taverna and then head off to our Airbnb. This is where we stayed overnight. Pension Galaros. The room was simple but had everything we needed. 2 beds, a small kitchen, a loft with 2 more beds, AC, and a TV. The best part was the location. Right in the harbor, just a short walk to all the great cafes and restaurants. Absolutely gorgeous. We just left the harbor area. We're happy with our Airbnb. It's very simple. It's the only one that was below 200 euros actually. So pretty happy with it. Now we're making our way over to some beaches. This place is also known for having some beautiful rocky cove beaches with crystal clear water. It looks like there's another restaurant right here on the beach, which looks pretty cool as well. We're gonna stop somewhere, probably have a drink, but hopefully we're gonna get in the water as well. Our first stop was Spilia Beach Bar, just a 5-minute walk from the marina center. The vibe here was awesome. Chill house and reggae music, a beautiful view, and the perfect spot to cool off, swim, and enjoy a cold drink by the sea. After an amazing few hours at the beach bar, we headed back to the harbor for some drinks and some views. The vibe on this island completely blew us away. It honestly felt like we found a hidden gem. We enjoyed a couple drinks, wandered through the charming streets, and then took a short 15-minute walk to a taverna we found online for an incredible dinner. It was so hard not to get lured in by all the beautiful restaurants along that walk. My goodness, there's some beautiful spots. But we heard the food here is fantastic, so we're ready to have a great meal here. All right, you guys, we're getting a little late start to the day here, but we had an amazing morning. Walked around the town a bit, grabbed some really good coffee as they have here in all of Greece, and checked into a new Airbnb. Super happy with it, and the owner is super nice. He's a really nice guy. He was able to upgrade us to the larger room, which is beautiful, and yeah, it has everything we need. It's very cozy, and it's right here in the heart of the port. So right now we're gonna take a little walk. We're getting ready for some beaches here. It's a gorgeous day. All right, we made it to another beautiful beach bar. There's several tavernas along the coast here, which are absolutely amazing. You can swim right below, jump in, jump out, grab a drink. Absolutely lovely. The beach that we want to go to is actually a couple-minute walk from here, so we're going to show you that in a little bit.
Our next stop was Avlaki Beach, which was absolutely amazing. The water had this unique color tone that faded from light blue to turquoise to deep blue. It was calm, refreshing, and the perfect spot to cool off before exploring more of the island.
So many beautiful beaches along this coastline here. Absolutely gorgeous. Man, I would actually consider this like the St. Bart's of Greece. You're gonna find many luxurious yachts, and down where we're staying by the harbor, a lot of shopping, which is very pricey shopping actually. A pair of men's swim trunks run around 195 euros. Nice beach bag, probably around 85, 95 euros. Things like that. But you're not gonna find all the major brands, but you're gonna find some prime shopping down there. And of course some beach clubs, which is, they're awesome. So many great spots to swim and hang out. We're looking for a place to go sit. All right, another beautiful spot, another beautiful beach. Not sure the name, I'll put it below. But now we're gonna go up, see what they have upstairs here.
This was probably my favorite beach of the trip. The water was calm, shallow, and crystal clear, just perfect for swimming. The vibe was super laid back with a nice restaurant and some beautiful views. It was about a 20-minute or so walk from the town and totally worth it.
We're having the most wonderful time here on Hydra Island. Gorgeous, and I'm telling you, just the feel of it, the vibes, slow pace, there's great food, people are super friendly, and the beaches are amazing. They are accessible. There's a lot of places with ladders to climb in the water, and despite the beaches being rocky, absolutely enjoying it. Like I said, it makes the water crystal clear. And yeah, this is a gorgeous island, guys. Just remember, this is only a 1.5 to 2 hour ferry ride from Athens. So if you're in the Athens area, I highly recommend visiting. You won't regret it. So much history here on the island. I'm definitely not going to try to recite it to you myself, so I'm going to use AI to help me here. The name Hydra comes from the ancient Greek word Hydor, because of the natural springs which once existed here on the island. Let's see, the golden era was during the 18th and 19th century, when it became a wealthy naval and trading hub. Anyway, yeah, there's a lot of history here on the island. I'm not going to recite it all to you, look it up yourself. But we're making our way to the right side of the port here, which we haven't been before, so we're going to go check out some more beaches and Taverna over on this side. Took us around, felt like 30 minutes. It said 20, I don't know, felt a lot longer. It's very hot, but absolutely gorgeous walking around along this coastline. There's a couple tavernas in this area as well. I didn't make it all the way to the end. Looks like they have a big beach club over there. I believe their kitchen is closed actually, so that's why we're heading back just a little bit to the next one over. And there's some beautiful water right in front of me here actually. as well. So we're gonna jump in there hopefully in a little bit. But in the meantime, we're ready for some food and a nice cold beer. Much deserved after that nice walk. Goodness, this is gorgeous. Just me in the water here actually. Very, very tranquil, very nice. The water's crystal clear and nice and cool. Not even on the colder side here. It's actually just perfectly refreshing. And yeah, this is my favorite place to swim, as I mentioned, in all of the world, Greece. Absolutely love it here. Something about the water here just feels different. Feels amazing. But man, so we're gonna hang out here for a little bit. We just ordered some cocktails at this little beach club here. And then we're gonna make the walk back down to town. There's also a boat apparently that could take you back round trip for about 10 euros per person. We didn't know about that, but it was a beautiful walk nonetheless. Gonna enjoy this water, enjoy the cocktail, and make our trek back.
This will be the end of the video. Our visit to this island was totally unexpected, but it completely blew us away. If you're looking for a relaxed vibe, natural beauty, delicious local food, and friendly people, then this is your spot. I want to thank you all for watching my video. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to see more of our travels. I will see you all in the next video.